everyone, welcome to my channel in a brand new day. In this video, I will show how to paint a bird step by step. Just I sketch the bird on the canvas board and use diluted blue paint mixed with water and outline the image. Birds are a symbol for realize that which seems impossible. They are seemingly tireless, always seeking the sweetest nectar. They remind us to always seek out the good in life and beauty in each day. Here I want to make a background. Due to dry climate, paints are getting dry so quickly. Just apply the paint and blend quickly and make a nice background. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Join Graphy by Academy to learn painting in detail. Here I am just applying red paint randomly. Now load the brush with red paint and do the flowers. Again, mix white and red and load the brush and paint the flowers in detail. Repeat the same steps here. Initially I didn't like the background and now I'm changing the background. Here I want to change the background and applying dark green and yellow. With the blue paint, just covering the bird's body and wings. When the feathers are going to be really dark, I almost set them in so that I can see those feathers in details. Here again I change the background to dark. You can change the background how you want. Actually I like this green with blue paint combination as background. Here I choose wrong color, but can we adjust? Then I pick red paint, now with yellow to just highlight. Here again I change the background. Now I will do wings and feathers in detail. Feathers are going to be really dark, and I almost set them. Now I will do feathers and the body part just as highlight. painting, you can use a support to keep your hand to avoid painting to spoil. Painting is almost done, and this is the final painting how it looks like. Please subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching. Please share your comments and see you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.